severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Freestone County and central Texas, central Henderson County and central Texas, southeastern Hill County and central Texas, northern Limestone County and central Texas, northwestern Anderson County and central Texas, Navarro County in north central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located from Coolidge to Powell, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Mejia, Gun Barrel City, Fairfield, Maybank, Blackhawk, Toole, Cairns, Hubbard, Wortham, Eustis, Coolidge, Trinidad, Dawson, Angus, Enchanted Oaks, Caney City, Navarro, Fairfield Lake State Park, and Rice. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 199 and 236. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.